The Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus arrives as a true powerhouse in the smartphone world, packing an impressive combination of cutting-edge camera technology, intelligent AI features, and rugged durability into a stunningly designed package. This isn't just another flagship device, it's a statement piece that pushes boundaries in multiple directions. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this phone so special, starting with its eye-catching design that immediately sets it apart from the competition. The first thing you'll notice about the Pura 80 Pro Plus is its gorgeous glaze-inspired finish, available in 4 distinct color options that each have their own personality. There's the vibrant glaze red that catches the light beautifully, the refreshing glaze green with its natural tones, the elegant glaze white for a clean look, and the sophisticated glaze black that exudes professionalism. Huawei didn't just slap some colors on a phone. They drew inspiration from traditional ceramic glazing techniques to create a back panel that shimmers and changes subtly as light hits it from different angles. The curved edges blend seamlessly into the metal frame, giving the phone a premium feel that's both luxurious and comfortable to hold. But this phone isn't just about looking good, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Huawei has equipped the Pura 80 Pro Plus with their second-generation basalt-tempered Kunlun Glass, which represents a significant leap in durability. We're talking about glass that's 25 times more resistant to drops and 16 times more scratch-resistant than standard smartphone glass. Whether you're accident-prone or just want peace of mind, this level of protection means you can use your phone without constantly worrying about damage. The attention to durability extends throughout the design, with reinforced corners and water resistance that make this a phone ready for anything life throws at it. Now let's talk about what might be the most impressive aspect of the Pura 80 Pro Plus, its camera system. Huawei has packed this phone with photographic capabilities that rival dedicated cameras, starting with the massive 1-inch high dynamic range main sensor. This isn't just marketing speak, that large sensor size allows for exceptional light capture, meaning your photos will have incredible detail and dynamic range whether you're shooting in bright daylight or dim evening light. The difference is especially noticeable in low-light situations where the Pura 80 Pro Plus manages to pull in stunning amounts of detail without the grainy noise that plagues most smartphone night shots. The camera system gets even more impressive when you look at the ultra-focus macro telephoto lens, which gives you remarkable flexibility in your shots. Need to capture a sweeping landscape? No problem. Want to zoom in on a tiny insect on a flower? The 5 cm ultra-close focus lets you get incredibly detailed macro shots that would be impossible with most smartphones. Huawei has even included a large f2.1 aperture in this lens, which increases light intake by 40% compared to previous models, meaning your close-up shots look better than ever, even in challenging lighting conditions. What really sets the camera experience apart is the AI integration. The Pura 80 Pro Plus features intelligent composition assistance that actually helps you take better photos by suggesting optimal framing and angles. It's like having a professional photographer looking over your shoulder, helping you get the best possible shot every time. The AI doesn't stop there. It can automatically remove glare from your photos while preserving important highlights, solve complex lighting problems, and even offer different color grading styles through its Mage imaging system. You can choose from presets like natural, film, movie, and cartoon, or create your own custom looks that can be shared with others. Moving beyond photography, the Huameng AI system transforms how you interact with the Pura 80 Pro Plus on a daily basis. The upgraded Xiaomi visual assistant can identify objects, landmarks, and even plants in real time through your camera, perfect for when you're traveling or just curious about the world around you. There's also the playful Henin AI character that responds to your touch and voice commands, adding a fun, interactive element to your phone experience. Privacy gets a major boost with the AI anti-peeping feature that detects when someone else is looking at your screen and alerts you. The phone also uses AI to clean up your calls, removing background noise so your voice comes through clearly whether you're in a noisy cafe or walking down a windy street. One of the most innovative features is AI teleportation, which lets you seamlessly move files between devices with a simple grab and drop motion. It's the kind of futuristic functionality that makes you feel like you're living in the next generation of technology. Performance-wise, the Pura 80 Pro Plus doesn't disappoint. The new Arc engine delivers noticeable improvements in app loading times and overall smoothness, making everything from gaming to multitasking feel effortless. The dual satellite connectivity is a game-changer for adventurers and travelers, offering Tiantong satellite communication for calls and beta satellite messaging for texts when you're off the grid. Even in crowded urban environments, the second-gen Linksy communication tech ensures you maintain a strong, stable connection. Powering all of this is a massive 5,700 mAh battery that easily lasts through a full day of heavy use. When you do need to recharge, the 100W wired and 80W wireless supercharge capabilities mean you can go from empty to full in what feels like no time at all. The 6.8-inch display is another standout feature, with its 3000 nit peak brightness making it perfectly visible even in direct sunlight. While the adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth scrolling and animations. Audio hasn't been neglected either. The ultra-large amplitude dual speakers deliver sound quality that's a significant step up from previous models, with 10 times more sound cavity volume, creating a rich, immersive listening experience whether you're watching movies or playing games. Huawei offers a range of complementary accessories to complete the package, including premium leather cases, protective covers, and even a micro-pump liquid cooling case for those who push their phone's performance to the limit. After spending time with all these features, it's clear the Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus isn't just keeping up with the smartphone competition. It's setting new standards in multiple areas. From its industry-leading camera system to its innovative AI features and rugged durability, this is a phone designed for those who want the absolute best. The attention to detail in both hardware and software creates an experience that feels polished and premium in every way. If you're looking for a smartphone that pushes boundaries and delivers exceptional performance across the board, the Pura 80 Pro Plus deserves serious consideration. It's not just about having the latest specs. It's about how all those elements come together to create something truly special. What do you think about Huawei's latest flagship? Could this be your next phone? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech coverage.